Seamus Heaney said, even if the last move did not succeed, the inner command says move again, meaning not all our moves or maneuvers are always meant to work and produce the desired outcome or suitable consequences at all times. And that means if one move does not work, then we just must not be degraded or downgraded by depression, anxiety, stress or tension, because when one move does not work, then it opens up many other possibilities, prospects, and doors of mystery, knowledge, wisdom, learning, growth, etc. So we must be focused on what we don't get, even when we put our best concentration effort. We must try to emphasize what we are able to learn, acquire from what we don't achieve, or from what we don't get, and from what we are not able to become successful at despite our hard work, effort, dedication, intention, etc. Because the lesson, the progress, the learning, the wisdom that we derive from all these failures, setbacks, and rejections is going to be very important, fundamental, and imperative, not only for our present, for the enhancement of our character, mindset, and the elevation of our action, but also it will set the foundation for the future actions, relationships, etc., so that we won't repeat the same mistakes time and again. And that's why it's very important and fundamental for all of us that we try to learn from all of our moves, actions, and mentality that did not work in the past, and that still don't work, because what does not work opens up newer possibilities and the gates to newer wisdom, learning, growth, knowledge, wisdom, experience, etc. So that's how it works. And when the last move does not work, when the last move did not work or succeed, then our internal well-being and our grit and fortitude says that we must move again. We must try to move our thinking, mentality, and action and body again, so that we can produce at least this time some outcome and something that contributes to our learning, growth, and helps us move forward and constantly learn despite internal barriers, tragedies, traumas, or external expectations, other people's demands, dictates, or governmental barriers, hypocrisies, discriminations, partialities, etc. Because we cannot control the others, and we cannot remove barriers or obstacles either.